Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Because of the high voltage and high current used by microwave ovens, be aware that repairing this appliance poses a substantial risk for injury or death if precautions are not taken. You should always unplug the microwave before you attempt any disassembly. Since high-voltage capacitors used in microwaves may retain a charge even after the microwave has been unplugged, we recommend that only experienced professionals access and replace internal components. To replace the fan blade in this Frigidaire microwave oven, you will need a T15 tamper-proof Torx bit, a Phillips head screwdriver, and needle nose pliers. Unthread the 6 rear screws securing the cover using the T15 tamper-proof Torx bit. Unthread the screw on the right side of the cover as well. Pull the rear sides of the cover out, then lift the cover up and pull back to fully remove. You should release the potentially stored electrical charge in the capacitor to avoid injury. You can do this by placing needle nose pliers with an insulated handle across each set of terminals. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws to detach the air inlet guide. You can now pull the old fan blade off of the motor shaft. To install the new fan blade, align it on the fan motor shaft and push it into position. Realign the air inlet guide and thread the screws to secure. Reinstall the microwave oven cover by first aligning the top edge, then the sides. Thread and tighten the 7 screws to secure. Plug the power cord back in, and the microwave oven should be ready for use.